So recidivism is really the language of the DOC. And several years ago, a colleague at BPI, said to me when he was mentoring me into this role, that no self-respecting institute of higher education would ever consider measuring recidivism among its alumni. And I think, for those of you who are in higher ed, you need to just pause and think about that for a minute. Do your colleges and universities measure recidivism among its graduates? And of course, the answer is no. We are looking at all other kinds of measures of success in our students and our alumni. And I don't think that it's an either or. I think it is a both and.